Hey everyone, I'm Mystic, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk. Yippee. Anyway, I'm gonna solve this 9x9 for you, but not like a normal cube. Because with 3x3s and other cubes, it doesn't take me as long as 9x9. Because this takes me about an hour, this takes me 30 to 40 seconds. So, for this video, I'm gonna just do little like cuts and just show you like hey, I've finished this, and hey, this is done over here, and so I'm not gonna show the whole thing, just like little pieces of the entire video of me solving it. So just to not bore you for an hour while I solve a 9x9 cube. Anyway, let's get to it. Anyway, thanks to this guy for giving me the idea. Thanks, Dad Mango. It took a while, but the cube is finally scrambled. Timer starts now. So, to solve a big cube like this, you want to start with the white face. So you want to find the middle centerpiece. Then you want to create bars. Like this. Right down the middle. And then you want to create more bars on the outside of the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that's the white side done. And it only took 5 minutes. So once you're done with the white side, you want to go into the yellow side. And to do that, you also create bars. So like the white side, you start with the one bar in the middle. But when you want to insert another bar into the top bar, you have to do that without breaking the white side. So to do that, you put the white bar into the top, turn the top 180 degrees, and turn back down. And then when you have your third bar made, you put it up in the top where the other one was, turn, and then pull the other one back. And then you do the same for bars 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you're done with the yellow and white centers. Time check, 11 minutes. And then you go on to solve the rest of the centers. Then I usually start on blue. Your first center after the white and yellow centers is basically like solving the white one, but you don't turn this way. You just have to be super cautious when solving these centers and not disrupt these centers. And we have the blue side. Also, sorry about that, there's a timer malfunction, so we'll just add up these two numbers at the end. After the blue side, I like to go on to the orange side. With this side, you have to be very cautious, like more cautious than solving the blue side, because you have to be aware of this, and this side to solve this one side. But same concept as the other ones. And we're done with the orange side. Time check? Around 22 minutes. Now, solving the last two centers on a 9x9 is different because you solve one while solving the other. So to start off, you start with the middle 3. So we have a 3x3 grid, and we have a very small 3x3 grid right here. So we'd solve that first on both sides. So we created a small 3x3 grid on each side, and then we work our way around it. So we have 3x3, now we have to do 5x5 grid. And we have our 5x5 grid on each side. And then to finish it off, the outside 7x7 grid on each side. And we are done with the green and red side. That means all of our centers are done. And then we get to the time-consuming part. These pieces, the edges. So on a normal 3x3, the pieces that we have to make right here are these pieces on a normal 3x3. Time check? Around 28 minutes. So when you first start to begin to solve the edges, you'd want to solve the ones touching the white and the centers surrounding the white center. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Full edge piece, full edge piece, full edge piece, and full edge piece. And then you want to create 2 edge pieces here and here. Or they could be here, here, here. They could be anywhere, but they have to be right next to each other. And me personally, I just like to put them next to the blue center. So basically, you want one side to look like this, basically. Almost all the same color, except the top row. Then that's completed. That's completed. Then next, you want to have 2 completed edge pieces here and here. So basically, the side with the 2 completed edge pieces, you want the opposite color. So I have blue, green. You want green fully solved across, except for the bottom and top rows. So this is completed, and then this is completed. So you want to solve the last 4 edge pieces by pushing these back and forth to create the last 4, and then put them up here. And then have the last 2 here and here between these 2 edge pieces. And then when you get the last 2 edge pieces, everything is going to get mixed up and go everywhere, basically. But it's all part of the plan to solve it. We'll put this piece over here, or something like that. Then you'd have to do a whole algorithm to solve it, which mixes up everything. Like, it basically, like a 3x3. Mix it up like this. Not like how you would start to mix this up. So the last 2 edge pieces will always be different from solving all the other edge pieces. Then finally, the last 2 pieces are completed. And the whole cube looks pretty clean compared to when it first started off. And then from here, it's basically like a 3x3 solve. And there we have it. The 9x9 is completed. This is about how long it took me to solve the cube, and when you add those up, you get about 54 minutes and 14 seconds to solve the 9x9. So I solved it in under an hour. Anyway, this took a while to solve. Here, thanks for watching, and quick announcement. This channel has 87 subscribers, and when it gets to 100, I will teach you how to solve a 3x3. So, get the number to 100, and you'll learn to solve the official Rubik's Cube.